Local area emergency for the city of San Mateo until further notice. The following message is transmitted at the request from the San Mateo Police Department. Multiple reports have came in that an unknown figure has been walking in town. It is unknown if it is hostile. The description is a Hawaiian male, 5 feet and 6 inches tall, weighs about 150 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. It is unknown where this figure came from, but all residents must stay vigilant at this time. Continue to monitor local media outlets for more information about this situation. The following message is transmitted at the request from the San Mateo Emergency Management. This is an update to the ongoing situation. The figure that was in town has now been identified as Master Higgins, and another figure has been spotted with him, and is identified as Tina, which is known as his girlfriend in the video game and anime series, Adventure Island. She is a Hawaiian female, 5 feet and 7 inches tall, weighs about 110 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes, and she was last seen wearing a pink bikini, and they were actually seen breaking into people's homes, bludgeoning people in the head to death. Over 10 people have been found dead. It is unknown how they came to life, and why they are doing this. All residents must stay indoors with all windows and doors locked and barricaded. If they break into your home, use armed protection at all costs. Stay tuned into local media outlets for more information about this dangerous situation.
Civil danger warning for the entire state of California until further notice. The following message is transmitted at the request from the California Emergency Management. Reports from other cities came in that Master Higgins and Tina were spotted in other cities, bludgeoning people who don't eat fruits or vegetables. These characters are known to be from one of the most popular video games, Adventure Island. These are the following cities that are affected: San Mateo, San Francisco, Los Angeles, Sacramento, San Diego, San Jose, Beverly Hills, San Bernardino, and Long Beach. All residents, if you live in the mentioned cities, stay indoors with all windows and doors locked and barricaded, with all ventilation systems and lights off. If these characters enter your home, use armed protection at all costs. Please continue to monitor local media outlets for more information about this dangerous situation. The National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for Honolulu. This tsunami is believed to be caused by the two Adventure Island characters that were causing chaos in California. All residents of Honolulu must evacuate immediately. The tsunami is expected to hit in 2 hours. While evacuating, take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a battery-powered radio with extra batteries, phones, chargers, and a flashlight and first aid kit. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now. Stay tuned into local media outlets for more information about this dangerous situation.
shelter-in-place warning for the whole city of Phoenix until further notice. The following message is transmitted at the request from the Phoenix Police Department. There have been reports of characters breaking into people's houses, bludgeoning them to death. They are using a hammer on their victims. Over 30 people are dead, with 15 injured, with major injuries because the characters hit the hammer on their legs, arms, or feet, which ends up breaking their bones. And even worse, these characters' names are Master Higgins and Tina, which they are known to be from one of the most popular video games, Adventure Island. It is unknown how they came to live and how all this is happening. All residents of Phoenix must seek shelter immediately. Close, lock, and barricade all windows and doors. Turn off all heating and air conditioning units. Close all fireplace dampers, and seal all cracks with tape or damp towels. Turn off all lights, and have food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a battery-powered radio with extra batteries, phones, chargers, and a first aid kit, and firearm and flashlight in case of intrusion. If they characters enter your home, use armed protection at all costs. Stay tuned into local media outlets for more information about this dangerous situation.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. Stand by. The President of the United States will be speaking.
Hello. I am the President of the United States. The following message is transmitted at the request from myself, the United States government, and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. As you may know, characters from the popular video game Adventure Island have come to live and are bludgeoning anyone who don't eat fruits or vegetables. The reason why this situation is happening is because yesterday, Hudson Soft got shut down because it was acquired by Konami, which means the Adventure Island video game and anime series got discontinued. Which is why they came to life, because they are mad that they got discontinued. The last Adventure Island game was released in 2009, which was the very version of it. The first version of it was made in 1988 by Hudson Soft and Nintendo. So was the anime series. Then in 1990 Adventure Island 2 was made. Then in 1992 Adventure Island 3 came out with a Super Nintendo version and TurboGrafx 16 version. And in 1994 Adventure Island 4 and Super Adventure Island 2 came out. And then, in 2003 the Namekian version came out. And then in 2009 the Very version came out. And now it's discontinued. And the characters are mad. The following states that are affected are California, Oregon, Nevada, Arizona, Nebraska, Utah, and Colorado. All residents of these mentioned states must seek shelter immediately. Close, lock, and barricade all windows and doors. Turn off all ventilation systems. Close all fireplace dampers, and seal all cracks. Turn off all lights, and be sure to have food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a battery-powered radio with extra batteries, phones chargers, and a firearm and flashlight in case of intrusion. If these characters enter your home, use armed protection at all costs. And most importantly, stay calm, as the U.S. military has been sent out to take down these characters. We will win because we are one nation under God.
All clear. I repeat, all clear. The following message is transmitted at the request from the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The Adventure Island characters have been taken down with no point of ever returning. It is now safe to leave your shelters. However, there is damage in the following states: California, Oregon, Nevada, Utah, Nebraska, and Colorado. But everything is good now. If your shelter is destroyed, call 911 immediately, and the National Guard will take you to a shelter. Your government thanks you for your cooperation. Normal programming may now resume.